Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. Stunning bike is this RS. It has the titanium decat Racefit exhaust fitted to it, so it sounds just superb. But we do also have the original exhaust with the bike as well. Being the RS, you get the Showa forks, you get the Brembo brakes, you get the Ohlins rear shock. This one's also got the proper Triumph crash protection. I've also mentioned obviously that exhaust. It's got a tail tidy, it's got a seat cowl, and it's also got an Evotech radiator guard as well. You get a quick shifter on these, you get power modes, you get a full colour TFT display. This one's also fitted with the genuine Triumph heated grips as well. But full colour display. They actually pivot slightly on this hinge here, just to stop the sun getting in your eyes. And as I say, you've got all the different riding modes, daytime LED running lights. But yeah, there are 121 peak power on these, brake horsepower that is, so plenty of power, and being a triple, loads of torque as well. So really fun bikes to ride. So if you do fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get this one bought. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Nick, and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. Our guys are really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call, and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it, thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.